Hello everyone, I'm Daria. Today I'm going to introduce the draw point detection experiment of GRACE to you. Generally, there are two methods about draw point detection, namely the oil bath method and the white temperature method. Today I will talk about the oil bath method. Before the experiment, we need to make the following preparations. Prepare the draw point tester, including the grease cup, thermometer, test tube, oil bath device, heater, and so on. Prepare the sample. Fix the grease cup on a suitable bracket. Fill the grease sample in the grease cup. Make it evenly distributed and fill the grease cup completely. And avoid mixing in air bubbles. Use a spatula to scrape the sample on the surface of the grease cup flat, so that the sample surface is flush with the mouth of the grease cup. Next, install the instrument. Put the grease cup with the sample into the test tube, and the grease cup should be located in the center of the test tube. Insert the thermometer into the grease cup so that the sensing bulb of the thermometer is about 6 millimeters away from the bottom of the grease cup, and the sensing bulb is completely immersed in the sample. But it should not touch the bottom and the side walls of the grease cup. Hang the test tube in the oil bath device and ensure that the immersion depth of the test tube in the oil bath meets the requirements. Generally, the liquid level of the sample in the test tube should be at least 25 millimeters lower than the liquid level of the oil bath. Now, start the experiment. Turn on the heating system of the oil bath device and start to heat up at a relatively fast speed, generally not exceed 5 degrees Celsius per minute. When the temperature of the oil bath rises to a temperature about 50 degrees Celsius lower than the expected draw point, then adjust the heating speed to make the temperature of the oil bath rise evenly at a speed of 5 plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. Closely observe the sample in the grease cup. When the grease starts to drip and the first drop of liquid drips from the hole of the grease cup, immediately read and record the reading of the thermometer at this time. This reading is the draw point of the grease. The experiment ends here. Finally, here is a friendly reminder for you. When conducting the oil bath experiment and the detection of the draw point of grease, you should strictly follow the relevant standards and operation procedures to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the experimental results. At the same time, pay attention to experimental safety to avoid the splashing of the oil bath medium, such as fairs. Thank you for watching. See you next time.